Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about square and square root and rule 6 and rule 7. Squares and square roots, basics of algebra, continuation of exponents class. First one, square. What is a square? If x is a variable, if you multiply x by itself, that is x is multiplying with x only, then x into x equal to, we can get in this case as x square. X is multiplying by 2 times, then we can write it as x power 2. Simply we are reading x square. This is the square of a number, any number. Simply we are saying that here x square, this x square is square of x. X square is square of x. Example, square of 6 is square of 6. Square of 6 is nothing but 6 multiplied by 2 times. That is 6 square. 6 multiplied by 2 times, 6 into 6. 6 times 36 answer. Here 36 is the square of 6. 36 is the square of 6. This is about the square of any number. Next, I am explaining about the numbers, square of numbers, some particular numbers. 1 square is 1 into 1. 1 is multiplied by 2 times. 1 into 1 time is answer 1 only. That is 1 square. This is the, according to the geometrical representation, this is a square. 4 sides equal. Next, for 2 square, 2 into 2, 2 multiplied by 2 times, 2 into 2 times is equal to 4. That is 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another square. 3 square is nothing but 3 multiplied by 3 times, that is 9. Once look at here, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a square. And these are the subsquares. Next one, in the square of a numbers concept, I explained the 4 square also. 4 into 4 equal to 16. 16 representing as 1 to 16 like this. This is a big square. This is nothing but the 4 square. 4 rows and 4 columns. 1 to 16. Square root. Square completed. Square root. If x is a variable, x multiplied by 2 times is nothing but x square. That is another square. Square root is nothing but inverse operation of a square. Inverse operation of a square. We are multiplying x into x equal to x square. Look at here once. X square, that is square root, is nothing but inverse operation of a square. Here x square equal to x into x. X inverse operation in the sense x is called. If you are multiplying x by 2 times, we can get the x square. Here x is nothing but x is the square root of x square. X is the square root of x square and x square is the square of x. Once look at here, Under the square, we explained x square is the square of x. Under the square root, x is the square root of x square. Let's look at here. X square is nothing but the square and x is nothing but the square root. Both are same. X and x both are same, but I mentioned here square root. Next one, under the square root symbol is, we are writing like this. This is the square root, which is also called radical sign. Radical sign. Example I given here, square and square root, both examples are given here. Once observe. Square of 6 is 6 into 6 equal to 36. Same example I taken here for the easily understanding purpose. Written as 6 square. 6 into 6 written as 6 square equal to 36. That is about the square. Coming to the square root. Square root of 36. Square root of 36. What? 6. Square root of 36 is 6. Written as square root, symbol is like this. Root square root 36 equal to 6. We can write the notation like this. Next one, square and square root, some important points need to know. First, about the square. Square is applicable for both positive and negative numbers, and both are same. Some important point. Square is applicable for both positive and negative numbers. Whatever the numbers that you take in, positive or negative, square is applicable. That is, if recently we complete 6 into 6 equal to 36. Example I given here, once check. Example, square of plus 8 is, square of plus 8 is nothing but plus 8 into plus 8. Square is nothing but multiplied by 2 times. Multiply by 2 times. Plus 8 into plus 8 equal to plus into plus, plus 8 into 8, 64. That is plus, square of plus 8 is 64. That is plus 8 whole square equal to 64. Next, same negative number I take here. Square of minus 8. Square of minus 8 is minus 8 into minus 8. First multiply the signs. Minus into minus, plus 8 8s are 64. Answer is plus 64. That is minus 8 whole square equal to 64. That is why under the square, both positive and negative numbers are having the same value. That is plus 64 and plus 64. Both are same here. Next, under the square root, negative numbers not exist. Negative numbers not exist under the square root. That's a very, very important point. That is, square root of 4, square root of 5, square root of 10, square root of 100 we can take in. But square root of minus 4, square root of minus 6, square root of minus 10 is not going to applicable. Is not existing. Next, important one, resultant of square root. Resultant, whatever the resultant is there, the resultant of the square root, always both positive and negative numbers. Resultant of the square root, always both positive and negative numbers. How it is? I give an example here. Example, root 81. Root 81. 81, 9 into 9. That is 9 multiplied by 2 times. That is 9 is the square root of 81. That is, the answer is plus or minus 9. Plus or minus, what is the meaning of plus or minus? That means plus and minus, both signs are existing here. Plus 9 is there and minus 9 is there. Why? In both cases we get the same number. 64 and 64 here also. Plus 8 minus 8. In both cases 64 is there. That is why plus 9 and minus 9 in both cases we can get 81. That is why under the square root, resultant always has both positive and negative numbers. These are some important points in your higher standards. Make a note of it. That is about the square and square root. Practice work. Write the square of numbers from 1 to 20. That is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. No need to draw the square figures. Simply write down the values. 1 square, 1 into 1, 2 square, 2 into 2, 3 square, 3 into 3, 4 square, 4 into 4, 5 square, 5 into 5. Like that up to 20 square equal to 20 into 20. How much value that you got? Write it on the answers and by heart it. 1 to 20 square of numbers, very, very important. And next one. Find the square of the following numbers. Another numbers I taken. 25. That is 25 into 25. 33. 33 into 33. 46. 46 into 46. 101. 101 into 101. That is the practice work for you. Next here, I am going to introduce the rule 6. Till now we completed up to rule 5 in the exponents. That is a power 0 equal to 1. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. 3 rules in the first class. And next one, rule 4. A power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m. Next one, a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. These are the 5 rules we explained. Next, rule 6. Sixth rule I am going to introduce here, that is related to the square root. Square root of a into b, square root of ab. Under the square root we have two values, two numbers, two expressions here. Square root of a into b. Both are connecting with the multiplication. Under the square root, if any two numbers are there, that numbers are under the multiplication, then we can divide the square root like this. That is root a into root b. Square root of a into b equal to root a into root b. When it is applicable, that two numbers are having the multiplication only. If you are having the positive or negative sign, no need to divide. It is not possible. For the multiplication only, we can divide it. Example I given here. Root 72. Root 72. 72 is nothing but we can write it as 2 into 36. 36 2 times. 2 6 12. 2 3 6. 2 3 6 plus 1 7. That is root 72. This is in the form of square root of a into b. A into b. That is square root a into square root b. I divided here. Square root 2 into square root 36. Again root 36 is nothing but 6. So just for the understanding purpose I given here. So how to apply the rule 6? That is root a into root b. Next one. Rule 7. Square root of a by b. This is also square root, but these two numbers are under the division. Under the division. So you can divide the square root for the numerator and denominator as well. That is root a by root b. Root a by root b. An example given here, square root of 36 by 49 equal to, we can divide the square root here, root 36 separately and root 49 also separately. What is root 36? 6. Root 36 is nothing but 6 is multiplied by 2 times 6, 6 are 36. And root 49 is nothing but 7 multiplied by 2 times, that is 7 into 7 equal to 49. So answer is 6 by 7. So this is the process. Rule 6 and rule 7 problems. So listen to the video students, this is a very, very important one. That is the continuation of exponents. And practice the problems. Thank you students.